Hello and welcome to another puzzle. The interlocking bent paper clips, as I call it. I don't know what the name of this puzzle is, but anyway, how do you take this apart? It seems easy, but then if you just wriggle it around, you can't. Let me show you how to do it. You just take the puzzle like this, like a kind of M shape. You hold this piece, the left piece, with your left hand, then you take this with your right hand, like so. And then you simply slide them and they come off. This is how you should hold them. Putting it back together, very easy. You just do it like this. Interlocking paper clips. I'll do it one more time just to show you. You hold the puzzle like this in your left hand, this in your right hand, and you just slide off this piece from that piece, putting it back together. Pretty easy. You can do it.